Ever wondered how secure your online identity truly is? In the digital age, your personal information can be more vulnerable than you think. But fear not. With ID Defender, you can proactively safeguard your identity with award-winning protection software. Imagine a shield, a fortress around your personal information. That's what ID Defender provides. Antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-phishing, anti-spam, and a two-way firewall. These are just some of the features that make ID Defender a robust guardian of your online identity. But it doesn't stop there. ID Defender ensures your digital documents are secure with its digital vault and digital file shredder. These tools are like a safe for your files and a paper shredder for your digital waste, respectively. Ever felt the dread of losing your wallet? ID Defender's got you covered. The 24/7 Lost Wallet Assistance helps you quickly cancel and replace all items commonly carried in wallets and purses. Credit cards, driver's license, passports, you name it, they'll help replace it. Not only does ID Defender protect, it also detects. The software monitors thousands of data sources to alert you of any potentially fraudulent activity linked to your personal information. And if the worst happens, an ICF-certified restoration specialist will be there to help stop the fraud, restore your credit to its pre-theft status, and even reimburse you for any out-of-pocket expenses. And for those who like to stay informed, Idaho Defender offers a one-stop identity theft protection resource center. Here, you can access the latest information to combat identity theft. With ID Defender's internet surveillance monitoring, you'll receive alerts if your personal information is found being bought or sold online. It's like having a security guard patrolling the internet for you, keeping a vigilant eye on your data. In this digital era, don't leave your identity defenseless. Arm yourself with ID Defender. Secure your peace of mind. Secure your identity. Remember, your identity is your asset. Protect it with ID Defender.